Hello, friends. Hello. Bingo and Rolly, we're coming to you. We're going to help you pass the puzzle, a mid-level puzzle today. Okay, let's go. Ta-da! Okay. We need 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Corners number 1. This. It is corners. I think so. These peach puzzles. Maybe this. No, it's not right. Maybe this. This is not the right place. Okay, orange number 3. Oh no. And orange number 4. Yes. Oh, now it's right. Cool. Okay, where is corners? Oh, I see. Corners number 2, 6. Okay, I think this puzzle should be here. Wow! It's right. Woo! It's good. Okay, these peach puzzles. Maybe this. No, it's not right. Or this. Ta-da! It's right. It's right. Cool. I like it. And corners number 4. Where is corners number 4? It's corners? No, it's not corners. Where is? Oh, yes. I see. I think so. This. Yes. Ta-da! It's right. Okay. Now we need all peach puzzles with one line side. One side line. It's a sample. Yes, it's line. One side is line. All side. That's line. Okay. It is peach puzzles. Where is it playing? Maybe this? No, it's not right. And I think this. Yes! Oh yeah! It's right! It's right! Where is this peach puzzles? Maybe this? No, it's not right. This? No! Yeah! It is puzzles. Yes! Look, it's right! Where is this peach puzzles? Maybe this? Not this? No! I'm wrong. Oh yeah! Look, guys, friends. I think so. These peach puzzles. Ta-da! It's right. And now we need these peach puzzles. Where is? No, it's not right. Oh, yes, it's right. I like it. And we have 2 peach puzzles with line 1. I think so. This. Yes, it's right. And 1 peach puzzles with line. This. Ta-da! Oh wow! I like it. And we have only 2 peach puzzles in the center. Yes. Maybe this? No, it's not right. Or this? Yes. Look, it's right. And well, peach puzzle Christmas, and we're heading home. Christmas? Oh, interesting. Thank you, friends. Thank you. We did it. Please subscribe and like this video, and see you. Bye.